Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with what we believe is the best Nioxin conditioner available. Nioxin System 3 Scalp Plus Hair Conditioner. If you're dealing with damaged hair and light thinning, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Let's delve into what makes this conditioner stand out from the crowd. First off, Nioxin is a premium brand renowned for its dedication to scalp health and hair growth. The System 3 conditioner is specially formulated to enhance scalp health, creating the optimal environment for hair growth while thickening and strengthening the hair strands. Now, let's talk benefits. This conditioner boasts a powerful blend of ingredients designed to nourish the hair root and fortify each strand against damage and breakage. Say goodbye to weak, brittle hair and hello to locks that feel stronger and healthier with every use. Wondering how to incorporate this conditioner into your hair care routine? It's simple. Just apply it to wet hair, gently massage it into the scalp and hair. Leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes to let those nourishing ingredients work their magic, and then rinse thoroughly. Easy, right? Well, besides its effectiveness, it's also a premium product that delivers results you can see and feel. Whether you're dealing with light thinning, damaged hair, or simply want to give your locks a boost, Nioxin System 3 Scalp Plus Hair Conditioner is worth considering. And with its peppermint scent and creamy texture, it's a pleasure to use every day. That wraps up our review of the best Nioxin Conditioner 3 on the market. If you've tried this product, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews and helpful tips. Until next time, happy grooming!